Hi guys, I want to show you what I earn you up to 3.9, 5 to $10 every day. 5 to $10, as you can see this, okay? It depends on your capital. I earn you 5 to $10 every day. You can withdraw straight to your account, as I've promised you. People that have been asking me that they need dollar anyhow. This is another one and very straightforward. All right, so what are we talking about here? Okay, now this is what I'm going to do. We are going to earn up to this amount daily. Okay, so there's a link on the description down there. So you are going to click that link. Once you click that link, you are going to get yourself to this place. Okay, QMT bot. Okay, now this is where you do your registration. Make sure that the invitation link is showing, okay, so that you drop into my team where we do some magic. All right, so once you get here, okay, it's always advisable you can use phone or email. Okay, you can use your email, register with your email. Please be careful when you are setting everything here. Be careful, don't be too anxious to forget necessary things. Okay, you set your email, you set your email, you set your email, okay, you set your login password, okay, your withdrawal password, okay, please and please don't forget your withdrawal password. Okay, after once you have done that, click on register. Once you click on register, it will land you into another page. It will land you here. So once you get here, you have registered successfully. As you can see, recharge, withdraw, help team. All right, you can download the app. You can download the app immediately. You can download the app immediately. This is where to recharge. Okay, this is where to withdraw. Withdrawal is automatic. You can check for activities. Activities also can earn you some money anytime they put activities there. Okay, you can check everything. Your team, all right, you earn more when you refer people. But referral is not compulsory to your earnings. Okay, you can come to this investment. Okay, if you have which investment that you can do Bitcoin investment, you can do USDT investment, you can do Tron investment. Okay, can you see 1000 USDT and see what you are going to be earning in 3 days? That is another aspect of it. Okay, that is another aspect. 35% daily in 3 days. That's another aspect of it. Okay, so this is where we are going today. All right, this is where we are going today. Is where you're going. They have bots that trade, okay, in 24 hours. They have bots that trade in 24 hours, and the least trading here is 10 USDT. The contract is 365 days. This is a long term investment, not a short term, not a Ponzi scheme. All right, so and this is the conversion rate. Can you see? Okay, this is the daily income. All right, you have 1.20 to $1.4 every, not doing nothing. Okay, so in less than 10 days you make your capital back and your interest. All right, you make your capital back. Okay, so you can come here. If it's 100 USDT you want to use, you are going to be getting $16 to $18. It varies. Okay, it varies. All right, if you have 300 USDT, so the higher the amount of USDT you are using, the higher your result. All right, so what you need to do immediately, come to home, go to recharge. All right, I've done a tutorial for Nigeria people and other country that you can use Bybit. Okay, some countries still using Binance. Okay, go and get your crypto wallet address. Okay, Bybit, yellow card, Binance, there are others you can use. Okay, so you copy, it is TLC20. Can you see? You copy the address. Can you see? You click on copy. Okay, you put the page like this. The crypto wallet you want to use, go there, go and go and deposit inside this USDT account. Once you deposit there, guys, you come back here and you click on recharge complete. So once you click on recharge complete, it will try to confirm if you have recharged. Okay, after you have done that, you can just go back. If you are sure you have done that, you can just go back. Okay, you can just come to me. Okay, your asset will read here. As you can see, this is my new account. My asset will read. Can you see? This is asset of $10. $10 will read. Okay, your asset will read. Once it has read, okay, you come to this quantify any amount that you have input. Okay, you trade. Okay, I've started this one already. I've started this one already. Can you see? You have to click to buy. Once you click any amount you did, the actual amount is what you must do. Click to buy. Once you do that, okay, you will now click on this big icon. On this big icon, it will load and to give you your amount for that day, which is withdrawable immediately, or you leave it. Okay, you are so safe with this platform. Okay, it has been tested for long. All right, so after I've done that, if you want to withdraw your money, very easy. Come to withdrawal. Come to withdrawal. You must have your Tron address, your TRC20 USDT address. You can have it from Yellow Card, from Bybit, from Binance. Yes. Okay. The withdrawal range. All right. Okay. The withdrawal range. You can put your withdrawal range here. Amount you want to withdraw from your Binance. From your Binance. And the withdrawal amount. Okay. Can you see? Withdrawal fee 99. That means they are not charging anything for withdrawal. Anything. That withdrawal password you use, drop it here and you confirm. It will drop immediately. As you can see, the one I did it today. As you can see, the one I did today, okay, it's drop immediately. 1.2 USDT. It will drop immediately. That is it, guys. Okay, and you can make more when you invite your friends. Okay, you can make more when you invite your team. When you invite your friend, you make more from them. You make more from them when they recharge. So this is another easy way to make cool money daily without doing much. So guys, the higher you invest, the better your result. The least investment is 10 USDT. Contract is 365 days. Any that for 365 days, that is each 100 USDT, 300 USDT, 800, and so on and so forth. If you want to check their service, try and join their official group Telegram, and if you have any issue, you contact this online service and they will attend to you very fast and swift. All right, so guys, I'm sure you have learned something from this space. Click on that subscribe button. If you are new, notify me. I will celebrate you in my own way. If there's any question, click on that thing, boost me up. I will add you to my channel group. Thank you, guys. Let's make more money.